It's the first Wednesday of the month, and so our sirens get tested. We have little Lincoln here for the day. All right, will he do it again, or will he not? Because I'm out here. Finished this puzzle, and about to start a new one, because that's all we do now. Oh, Marissa's stuffing their bed. That's exciting. They flattened it out a little. Okay, so this is funny. All of this stuffing was from a love seat that this one deconstructed. Kept all the stuffing, as you see, and the pleather scraps and the wood. There was a lot of banging for a while.
They put together furniture pretty specially.
Yeah. So now we are on to this puzzle. That's our evening. Hope you had a good Wednesday. It was a bit busy today. Goodbye.